everybody, it's Kat and welcome to a very creepy brand new makeup transformation of this masked character from the first Purge movie. If you guys have been watching the series The Purge, this is their fourth installment of the series. It's definitely a horror movie where they try to push crime rate below 1% for the rest of the year by having one day where everyone could vent out their aggression, violence in one night. There's no real rules. A few odd rules where they only have 24 hours to do disastrous, terrible things. Some of the people dress up with masks, they go all out, get weapons. But we are creating this masked character in today's makeup transformation from the first Purge, which may sound confusing because this is the fourth installment to this series. But let's turn to this creepy character that has God on his forehead. Don't mean to offend anybody. The reason why I wanted to do this makeup is for you guys to be able to have something very easy to recreate for Halloween this year. I'm already looking forward to it. So let's get started. First of all, we need to make sure that our eyebrows are completely flat. It will almost make it look like we shaved them off. If you guys have been following me around for a while, I achieved this deleted eyebrow look with glue sticks and translucent setting powder. I do about 4 layers for my eyebrows. It depends on how thick your eyebrow hairs are, how many layers you need. You want to make sure each layer is completely dry before moving on to the next. And then once we're done flattening our eyebrows down, I'm gonna get a white eyeliner pencil and putting down the holes for the eyes on top of our eyes. I know that sounds confusing. This step is totally optional, but it's gonna be easy for us to outline everything before we paint it on so that we know and can pinpoint where we're gonna put all the proportions of this mask. We're gonna make it a little bit skinnier than our actual face and longer as well. We're putting it a little bit in our hairline and doing those eye marks. Once we are done with our outline, we're gonna get our white cream base. This looks like we're spreading sour cream on our face, but it's the best. This is by Makeup Forever. It's my all-time favorite white cream base because she's very pigmented, she covers a lot, and very seamless. You just need to use the warmth of your fingertips to put this onto your face. Don't double dip into that pot of white makeup if you're doing this on a client, on a set, on an actress, please. Sanitization is key. I have it on a little palette and I dip into a brush to really get fine lines on the edges around the eyes and the sides of the mask so that we don't smear anything and we really get into the corners and make detailed, crisp edges of the mask. Once your white base is down, we're gonna get a red cream paint. You could definitely use lipstick or a cream blush that's bright red with our fingertips to tap on some light smeared color. Then we're gonna get a brown tone cream paint with a stipple brush to do the very rough etches and markings on this crazy mask that look like shadows of brows. Honestly, if you have a brown cream contour, that will work as well for this. We're gonna do a little bit on our nose and on the bridge of it, and some on our mouth, especially on the bottom lip. You really wanna look at reference pictures of this masked character to do this. I'm getting some red cream paint or a red toned cream blush to put on our lip, and some more of that brown cream paint to do some rough edges on the lip. Then with the white cream paint, with my finger, I'm gonna put that on the bottom lip. Then with the fan brush and some black cream paint, we're gonna put that on top of our eyebrows. Then I'm gonna set my entire face with some translucent powder. I would use a puff instead of a brush for this. Now with some black aqua paint or black gel liner or any type of eyeliner, I am gonna start drawing on the brows of this mask, which is very messy and smeared. It kind of looks like it's just made out of permanent marker. And I'm gonna do the text of God on the forehead, just like this masked character has in the movie. And you really don't have to do this step. I'm just doing it to make it look more realistic, but I got some brown aqua paint. I just watered down the paint to do a light stipple, or you can use a brown eyeliner pencil, very lightly dotted, to do some dirt marks on the mask to make it look very realistic and rugged. Then with some black aqua paint or black eyeliner works as well too. For the inside of the eye holes of this mask, we're gonna paint in the pitch black eyes of this mask with the smears on the bottom. Again, reference pictures really do help for this part. with the word God written on his forehead. I'm just getting the black aqua paint to paint the edges of my mask because sometimes the lines could get a little uneven and look a little too messy on the edges. You want the edges to be clean and crisp, but the features on the mask itself to be a little messy. Then I'm just putting on a black hoodie to make the creep factor even more real. Just doing more detail on the lips, I got some dark brown cream paint with a fan brush. And then I got a mascara wand with that dark brown cream paint on my nose and details more on the brow area. Then I got some red cream paint with a pencil brush to do some details, smears on the cheeks more, and some more white on the bottom lip of the mask. And with that, we are completely done with our creepy mask character, the one with God on his forehead. From the movie The First Purge, the fourth to this Purge movie series. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know this is super creepy, but I thought this would be so easy for you guys to recreate if you really want to creep someone out, especially because Halloween is just a couple months away. You only need a few products to do this. I will definitely list those products down in the description box below. And it's super easy for you guys to recreate. If you recreate this makeup transformation or any from my YouTube channel, please post it on your guys' Instagram and hashtag #katsketch. Now it's time for me to turn back into myself from this mask character. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below on what movie character or TV show characters you guys would love to see. I have a lot coming in the future and actually putting a lot of money and time into future videos, which is going to be so cool for a huge series on this channel. Don't know if it'll be before or after Halloween, but I'll be working on it. I cannot wait for Halloween, honestly. I'm just counting down the days. It's my favorite time of year, and it's my birthday month. So I will see you guys in the next makeup transformation here on my YouTube channel. I love you all. I'll see you then. Bye!